In today's video, I will teach you how to put a face on a different body in Photopea. Let's get started. Start by opening Photopea and load both of the face image and the body image that you want to use by going to File, then Open, and select the files. Now we're going to select the face. Select the face from the first image using the lasso tool, or simply press L on your keyboard, or the quick selection tool by pressing W on your keyboard. With the lasso tool, simply draw around the face. And with the quick selection tool, click and drag over the face to select it. Refine your selection if needed by going to Select, then Modify, then Feather, and choose a feather radius of about 2 to 5 pixels to soften the edges. Now we're going to copy the face. Once the face is selected, press Ctrl-C or Command-C to copy it. Now go to the body image and press Ctrl-V or Command-V to paste the face. It will create a new layer with the face on it. Now we're going to resize and position the face. With the face layer selected, go to Edit, then Free Transform, or simply press Ctrl-T or Command-T on your keyboard. Now resize and rotate the face to match the size and angle of the body by dragging the corners of the transformation box. Hold the Shift key to maintain aspect ratio if needed. Now position the face over the head of the body by clicking and dragging. Now we're going to blend the face with the body. To blend the face smoothly, use the eraser tool with a soft brush to gently erase the hard edges around the face. Then adjust the opacity of the eraser tool if needed for a more subtle blend. Optionally, you can use the clone stamp tool or simply press S on your keyboard to touch up on any mismatched areas. And if the face and body skin tones are different, simply go to Image, Adjustment, then Color Balance, or go to Image, Adjustment, then Hue and Saturation to match the colors. Adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until the face blends more naturally with the body. And for final touches, zoom in and check for any final adjustments. Then use the blur tool to soften the transition between the face and the body if necessary. And once you're satisfied with the result, save your project by going to File, then Export As, then choose your desired file format like JPEG or PNG. By following these steps, you can seamlessly place a face onto a different body in Photopea for a creative composite image. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.